Okay, now look at the consistency of this cut. This is a piece we just cut. Now, to get this to work on the generator motor, the valve guide plate, we got to take it and make a little thinner, but I did this so that we could get two pieces that we could work with. Okay, this one's really rough, but that's okay. That can be cleaned up. No foul, no foul. Okay, but look at the consistency on this. And the consistency on this. It's slightly off, I see that, but that's okay, especially for this project. Okay, but this is way better than yesterday's. Having that plywood on there made all the difference in the world. And if I would have put a notch in my slide stop piece of wood, this would have stayed up against that fence a lot tighter, and we would have eliminated the difference here. Okay, slight slope. And this one, yeah, it's there too, you can see it. But not bad work. Being cut on a table saw, imagine that. Aluminum, nice. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that bell. First, hit the red button, the red word that says subscribe. Tap it or click on it with your mouse. And click on the bell, and you will get the uploads. Looking forward to hearing from you. Never give up, because there's always a way. That's right. We're just keeping it real. God bless. Bye for now. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Bye.